It is very important to add LED to your charging port LED or the charging port itself. As we know, we as an engineer, we are familiar with this. But there are reasons behind adding LED to the back of your charging port or adding LED in the port of the charging point in your phone panel. Well, we have few reasons why we add LED. One, it is very important to add LED to your charging port leg because one, it enables the charging point to touch with that of the PCB. As we have experienced, if you have done this type of mistake before, for example, you want to solder a charging point into your mobile phone without adding LED. After soldering it, when you try to test it, if you don't burn it, you won't charge. Most of us has experienced something like that. But by adding LED to it, it will just work one hand. So adding LED to your charging point enables the charging point to grip the LED in the PCB. Another thing is that when you have a broken lines in your mobile parts or the place you are soldering charging point, like either the negative or the positive leg is being broken, and you want to fix charging point, without soldering that charging point, it will not work. So we have to solder it. So in case of broken spot, you need to solder that charging port spot. Another thing is when there is not enough LED in that charging point, you need to add some LED there. For example, that holds that the legs of the charging point are being placed. If there is not enough LED there, what you have to do, you have to add LED to that side. So by adding LED to that side, it will help to grip that charging port to the panel, and it will enable the charging point to be soldered strongly. Even when you put charger wrongly, you will not be able to break that charging point. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitex Communication channel. Follow us on TikTok. Follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram. See you in our next video. Bye.